Dudes, what a musical journey we just went on. I'm Miree, and I was kidding about the musical journey. Please don't roast me in the comments, even though I deserve it. I just want to show you a quick way you can improve the sound of your rim knocks right off the bat, okay? Credit goes to Carter Beauford. I first saw him do this. I've seen fellow Drumeo alumnus Todd Sucherman do this as well. Just flip this guy around and use the butt of the stick, okay? If you're playing a Vic Firth stick, I'm aiming right for the middle of that American classic text. Just so much more mass to work with down there, man. If you know what I mean. Here's how you work it up, dude. Just intersperse groove with snare drum and groove with rim knock and switch them back and forth till you're comfy, right? Instant gratification, right, dude? Instant improvement in sound for very little effort. I think the love interests in your life are going to be really impressed by you and this new trick that you have, okay? So here's some gratuitous drumming to play me out.